am, there are 54 kilometers to reach Kisoro. So from here to Kisoro it is exactly 54 kilometers. That means, wow, that means there is some good work to do. That means there is some good work to do. And we are enjoying this run. I am enjoying this run. It's quite amazing. You can see this is Kabale. Kabale district is so awesome. These are the hills, plenty of maize and sorghum. These people have got a highland kind of places, too many hills. As you also get close to the lower ranges of mountain Rwenzori, so you can see, you can enjoy from the background what it means to be in this side and run around these sides of the world. Yeah. Good one. Good one. It's accelerating. Well, the rain has been too much. The rain has given me a good lesson. I've been seriously punished by the rain. It has beaten me like I'm a criminal. I don't know who sent this rain to me, but I'm still pushing and I have to go. I got to make this happen because so much an adventurous run, so much adventurous, and I'm really enjoying it despite the heavy rains that have been really punished me, that have really beaten me. Yeah, still pushing. You can see behind me. Yeah, I'm enjoying. Looks like I'm suffering, but I'm enjoying. I'm just slowing down to take these videos. It's cool. It's awesome. Good thing. I wonder how those people get there. I can see herdsmen, cows, goats. I really, this is what they call mountain goats. Yeah, come on, look at that. How do we really get there? I fear heights. Even where I'm here, where I am now, I'm really trembling that, like the whole army is marching on me. But I'm wondering, how do these people get there? How do they climb there? How do those goats and sheep and cows get on the top of that side? Yeah. Oh, amazing. Ah, yes. I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. Higher adventures. I don't know what time I will be there, but what I know, I will be there. I don't know what time I will be there, but what I know, I will be there.